Hey everybody, it's Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make brown sugar and cinnamon ice cream. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so just into a saucepan, we'll start by adding 1 cup of brown sugar. Next we'll add a decent teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And to this we'll add 2 cups of cream. And that's just full fat, not low fat or skim or anything. And I'm also going to add in 1 cup of full cream milk. Alright guys, so just on a low heat, we just want to stir this and heat it up. Alright guys, so once you get to this point where it starts to bubble, we don't want it to boil. So once it starts to bubble along the sides, we'll turn the heat off. And we'll continue stirring to make sure everything's well dissolved. So guys, what we need to do now is let this cool down. Now you can put this into the fridge to let it rapidly cool down, but you want it to be cold before you put it into your ice cream maker. If you put it in hot into your ice cream maker, this won't work, so don't waste your time doing that. Alternatively, you can leave it at room temperature as well to cool down. So we'll come back when it's cooled. Alright guys, so once your mixture is cooled down, we're going to get our ice cream maker out. So we're going to turn the machine on. And basically you want to follow your manufacturer's instructions. In my case, while the machine's working, we'll pour in our mixture straight in. Just like so. So all that's left to do now is let the machine do its job. This will take roughly 20-25 minutes to work. Basically we want a nice ice cream consistency. Now if you want to do any variations at this point, you can add some cookies in there if you like. You can add some choc chips, white chocolate chips, whatever you like. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple though. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good now. So what we're going to do is turn the machine off and transfer this into a freezer-proof container. Alright, so the next thing to do is pop this into the freezer, and then we'll serve it in a couple of hours. Alright, and there we have it guys. Just look at how beautiful and creamy that is. So guys, storage wise, obviously keep it in the freezer, and you should easily get up to 6 months. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.